hello, everybody. My name is A.K. Rahman. It is such a pleasure to welcome you all to this very special evening, afternoon. It's the Airtel Achievers Club, and I am super excited to meet you once again. दोस्तों आप हैं वो अचीवर्स जिन्होंने तहलका मचा रखा है हिंदुस्तान में नहीं पूरी दुनिया में आपका नाम रोशन है एंड यू ऑल हैव डन इनक्रेडिबली वेल तो आप सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm really thrilled because I am super excited to meet all the winners. And pre-function area was fun. All you guys out there going on and clicking pictures with your trophies. Did you click your pictures with your trophies? I'm sure you did. If you didn't, please do that because the pre-function area is so much fun, guys. Amazing. Click your pictures with your trophies. Show it to the world that you won this. You've earned this. You've really worked hard for it. And this trophy is going to many of your friends who want to be like you, who want to be an achiever, an Airtel achiever. So it's going to be really special. And of course, did you check the memory wall? The wall of fame where you have these photos and videos of the Achievers Club. 2016, 17, 18, and 2019. All those pictures which make you and everybody who's out there proud. What a beautiful moment it is, right? Yeah, I like the smile on your face. It is so good, guys. And games khele, Fruit Ninja, car racing. This is so much fun, guys. And here you are in the auditorium for the grand show, and I promise you, it's going to be so much fun. If you saw the last year's Achievers Club and the last year's, every time I would start the show with the signature hey hey. You remember that? I like it because everybody, whenever they meet me, they would say hey hey. It is the style statement which we all do. But guys, on a serious note, you all have done so well and I'm so happy to be amongst all the achievers. आपके लिए सिर्फ एक चीज कहना चाहता हूं और सारे अचीवर्स के लिए ये कहना चाहता हूं कि मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है. मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है. हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में. डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में. लड़ने वालों के कदमों में पूरा जहान होता है. पूरा जहां होता है. तो ऑल द अचीवर्स, आप सबके लिए a big round of applause. And I have the pleasure and honor in welcoming everybody out there, everybody, the AMB members, leadership teams from Circles, Center, and Sri Lanka, and all the achievers. At Airtel, we have an annual program, the Airtel Achievers Club, that honors the glorious achievements of our sales teams who turn the tide through their leadership, hard work, and commitment. Now, this is the most prestigious event during the course of the year, which every sales colleague of ours in the country aspires to be a part of. Airtel Achievers Club recognizes top performing teams in the sales fraternity across all lines of business of Airtel, like mass retail, D2C, DTH, Airtel Business, Airtel Payments Bank, and Sri Lanka. Now, you know what? We are in the 13th year since its inception, and this year we have 545 sales colleagues across 39 teams who have emerged as winners in the Achievers Club 2021. So, a huge round of applause for all you winners. Come on! Yeah, I have to tell all my friends out there, guys, this is going to be really special and you have to join me in applauding our achievers. So a huge round of applause before we get started. And I want you to smile because today is going to be special and a really special evening. And I promise you, you will remember this for a long time. Pre-function area was amazing, and I'm sure I just want to reiterate and check that those pictures which will be your memory for a long time. यानी आप अपने दोस्तों को you upload it everywhere and tell that I won this, I've achieved this. What a beautiful moment it is. And of course, going through the memory wall and getting inspired by those fantastic performers and Fruit Ninja, car games, ये सारी चीजें, car racing, it really put a smile on your face. And here we are celebrating our success. But photo लिया क्या? लिया ना? Good. I have to tell you, you all have to do this. Le le re le 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 re. सेल्फी, सेल्फी लेना जरूरी है दोस्तों, अपनी पिक्चर्स लेना एंड दुनिया को ये कहना कि आई एम राइट हियर टू सेलिब्रेट माई सक्सेस एंड आई विल टेल यू दैट नो स्टॉपिंग नाउ, यस आई एम ऑन अ रोल एंड नो स्टॉपिंग नाउ. नो स्टॉपिंग नाउ से एक चीज याद आई, we've got something really special and that is coming right here. No stopping now and no stopping now. I like the way it was put across, and it actually defines our efforts. It defines how we've reached this far and how we're going to reach to the top. So we have a brilliant show lined up. So guys, get excited, get ready, because आज तो धमाल होने वाला है, because हम एक दूसरे के साथ हैं. We have a leadership team which is inspiring you and which is confident of your achievements and which is confident, who is confident कि आप लोग ये करने वाले हैं कम वॉट में. सो ये लीडरशिप टीम से मिलने का बड़ा बड़ा मन करता है, एंड आई हैव द प्लेजर इन वेलकमिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन गोपाल फॉर हिज एड्रेस. जोरदार तालियां फॉर गोपाल. हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून गोपाल, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Good afternoon. Thank you. Doing well. Thank you.
This is such
Okay.
a big occasion and the whole of the country is just waiting for you to speak.
Thank you so much. Um, I'm really delighted to be. Thank you. Good luck and take care.
Thank you so much, Gopal. Great words indeed. What you said, I've experienced, because I come from Mumbai, and in Goregaon, the way I've been serviced by Airtel is amazing. I'd like to mention Gautam. Gautam, thank you for all the good work which you've done for us. And in spite of the pandemic, when things have been difficult, they've given me exceptional service. And I had ported out of another operator, and I'm so happy that I came to Airtel, and the kind of service which is being given to me. And now Hafiz, who's taking care of that store, he's exceptional. I think I'd like to thank you guys for going beyond the call of duty to make sure that we get the best service. So thank you very much for those good words. And of course, we're standing by each other to make Airtel what it is supposed to be and what it is right now. So thank you very much for those lovely words, Gopal. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you are. I think जो बातें गोपाल ने कही थी, ये मैंने महसूस किया, and it's such a beautiful thing. And in spite of tough times, the second wave के साथ आने के बाद जो हम सब impacted हुए, उसके बावजूद the way we have been standing with our peers, our friends, and our colleagues, it's incredible. इसके लिए बस एक ही चीज कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक दूसरे के करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे से लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम. It's all about standing for you and for your friends, for your colleagues, and coming up as one big team, which is Airtel. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go on. And I have the pleasure of welcoming somebody really, really special. He's an inspiration. And when he speaks, हम सारे इंस्पायर होते हैं. एंड अगर कोई गोल मुश्किल लगता है तो मुश्किल नहीं लगता. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एंड वेलकम अजय. हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Hi, good afternoon, and thank you.
Special occasion, over to you sir.
Thank you very much.
I'm Airtel. I like the customer obsession, and this is amazing. Standing by each other and saying, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा. न कोई है, न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा. And when the world says this to us, and you're gonna say, I am Airtel, that's exactly how you should be. And aap sabke liye zordar taaliyan, come on. Whoa, I love the vibe, I love the energy, I love the passion which you have to be customer obsessed and to deliver and to be on top. Hamesha. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now what we're going to do is we're going to give you something special. We have this nice engagement activity जो आ रही है आप सब के लिए. अब इसमें we could give you morphed, merged images of Bollywood celebrities, cricketers, Airtel leaders. And we have 8 questions. And मुझे ये पता है कि आप आंसर करने वाले हैं. Who am I? Let's get started. Here we go. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. Tang dang dang. It is this. Identify these Bollywood celebrities. Oh boy, ये कौन है ये? 15 seconds to go. Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan, John Abraham, or Shah Rukh Khan, John Abraham. Hey, Anjali. All right, if you know this, okay, you are 38% saying that Shah Rukh Khan and Shahid Kapoor. All right, the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy, just look at that. AP has. Oh boy, AP's got 593. That's right. Okay, there you are. So that's correct. So guys, that was the first answer which a lot of people tried, and we've got AP leading. So congratulations. Let's go for the next one. अब हम बताएंगे आपको कि ओवरऑल पूरे क्वेश्चंस के बाद कौन वो वाउचर गिफ्ट वाउचर लेके जाने वाला है एंड आपको जल्दी से जल्दी इनके जवाब बताने हैं. वी गोना गिव यू दिस लिटिल क्लू एज वेल. सो ओके, हियर वी गो. फेमस बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज. ओह बॉय, ये कौन है? आलिया, सनोन, आलिया भट्ट, श्रद्धा कपूर, श्रुति हसन एंड श्रुति हसन, आलिया भट्ट. भट्ट साहब कौन है? 3 seconds more. बताइए हमें. All right. Okay. Now there is even Steven, Alia Bhatt and Kriti Sanon. 48% ने बोला है, 49% ने कहा है कि Alia Bhatt and Shraddha Kapoor. But the correct answer is Shruti Hassan and Alia Bhatt. You got it. Only 5% got this right. Yeah. ऐसे कैसे? ठीक है, no worries. Okay, there you are. Look at the score, guys. AP 1198 and James 776, Sam 719. Awesome, guys. That is how it is. You still have a lot of questions coming up. Don't worry. अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है दोस्तों. ये तो शुरुआत है, you know. There's Pallavi, there's Pradeep, all right there. So next question coming up. Who is this famous Indian cricketer? Ajinkya Rahane, KL Rahul, Cheteshwar Pujara and Jasprit Bumrah. Come on. 10 seconds to go. यार ये तो मुझे पता है कौन है ये. टॉप ऑर्डर में बैटिंग करते हैं ना. कौन ये? 3 सेकंड, 2 सेकंड, 1 सेकंड. Okay. All right, we've got a lot of people getting a little confused. 27% saying that Ajinkya Rahane, but KL Rahul is the correct answer. सबसे ज्यादा आपने कहा जसप्रीत बुमराह. Boom, Bumrah. Well, that was not the correct answer, but KL Rahul is the correct answer. देखते हैं किसने जवाब दिया, कौन टॉप पे आ रहे हैं. So let's see that. KL Rahul. He did well relatively in England. So AP is 2093, Pallavi is 1341. AP is like right there. We've got Vinay who's shot up as well. Dennis, Saurav Grover. Good guys, you can catch up. We've got more questions coming up. Let's go for the next question. Who am I? कौन हूं मैं? Alright, okay. Kahoot पे दोस्तों ये इतना जबरदस्त क्विज हम चला रहे हैं. And look at this now. This is an inspiring figure, alright? Who's the senior leader of Airtel? We've got Pankaj Niglani Sahab, Badal Bagri, Anubrata Biswas, or none of these. You know this one. 4 seconds to go. You can't miss out on this, guys. This is amazing, you know? Alrighty. We've got a lot of people, 84% saying it's Badal Bagri sir, but it is Anubrata Biswas. Congratulations if you got this right. Guys, leaders who inspire us, who tell us that you can do it, right? They are so close to our heart. And AP still in the lead. And Pallavi is right there, 2152. Wasim is shot up. Wasim, very well done. Rajneesh, good job. Kishore. Everybody can catch up. We've got more questions coming up. And who am I? Let's go for the next one. Okay, ये क्विज में देखते हैं दोस्तों. Identify the Bollywood celebrities. ये भी बड़ा interesting. Oh. Who are these? Hrithik Roshan and Akshay Kumar. Is it Akshay Kumar, Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor? This is easy. मतलब सोचिए ना, किस ने किया? All right, we've got a lot of people giving various answers, but it is Ranveer Singh and Ranbir Kapoor. The Ranbir and the Ranveer. Wow, they've taken Bollywood by storm, yeah. They're brilliant actors. कमाल की एक्टिंग की है बाजीराव मस्तानी से लेकर रणबीर कपूर संजू amazing AP 3814 we've got Pallavi 2152 and Mujib is shot up very good Krishna Wasim you're right there you're right there अभी पिक्चर बाकी है ना अभी भी आप जीत सकते हैं लेट्स गो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर वी गो दोस्तों अगर आपने अभी तक रजिस्टर करके आप नहीं खेला तो डू इट राइट नाउ यू गॉट ग्रेट गिफ्ट वाउचर्स कमिंग अप Okay, identify these famous Indian cricketers. All right, Ravindra Jadeja, Bhubaneswar Kumar, Mohammad Siraj, Ravindra Jadeja, Jasprit Bumrah, Ajinkya Rahane. एक क्रिकेटर इसमें जो है इनको लॉर्ड के नाम से बताया जाता है लॉर्ड Lord Ravindra Jadeja, Lord Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja and Bhubaneswar Kumar is the correct answer. Thank you very much. But a lot of people thought it was Jasprit Bumrah and Ajinkya Rahane. कभी कभी होता है but oh my god there you are just look at this AP still in the lead but Pallavi catching up Rajneesh Siddiq Mujib everyone is close to each other so whoa this is super fun guys मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं एक बार मुस्कुराओ ना मुस्कुरा के बताओ तो सही मजा आ रहा है I can see that smile. Yeah. All right. Good, guys. Amazing. So we go to the next question. हमारा अगला सवाल है. Let's go it. All right, guys. This is inspiring. Who is a senior leader from Airtel? All right, Airtel के ये दिग्गज कौन है? बादल बागुल साहब, आदर्श नायर, अजय पुरी साहब या प्रदीप कपूर? So who is this? 10 seconds to go. You can't miss out on this one. You can't miss out on this. Da-da-da. All right. And we had various answers, but this is Ajay Puri sir. You guys are playing very well. I really like the way you are participating, and this is how it should be done. And AP is still in the lead, 4705. Pallavi's close by, and Wasim is shot up. Rajneesh, Sadiq, everybody's right in the race, and we are loving this, guys. This is so much fun. I hope you're enjoying it because I have to tell you this. The top 5 get gift vouchers. This is going to be fun, guys. Our next question is, guess the leading female actors from Bollywood. Priyanka Chopra, Anushka Sharma, Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma, Katrina Kaif, Priyanka Chopra, Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone. मेरे 2 favorite sisters. Wow. I like it. दोस्तों टाइगर जिंदा है. I like it. All right. मतलब आपको ये लगा कि ये कटरीना कैफ और प्रियंका चोपड़ा है मुझे भी लगा था बट ये कटरीना कैफ and Deepika Padukone hai. So, congratulations if you got this right. Oh boy, this is so much fun. देखते हैं कौन कहाँ है but यहाँ पर top prizes में third position पे Krishna UP, second position पे we've got Pallavi and we've got numero uno पे so baby. And we've got Rajneesh and Wasim as well in the 4th and 5th position. Congratulations, आपको मिलता है इनाम. You get gift vouchers. Celebrate कीजिए, party कीजिए, and have a wonderful time, guys. This is amazing. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि just who am I is what हमारा interaction is all about. We've got more interaction coming up, दोस्तों. आज धमाल होने वाला है. आज celebration तो हो ही रहा है. We value your efforts. You are superstars. You've led from the front. And adversities के बावजूद, if you are standing tall and you believe in saying that I am Airtel, kudos to you. Congratulations. आज हम आपके लिए celebrate कर रहे हैं और आपका celebration is going to be larger than life. All right, ladies and gentlemen, हमारे जो जबरदस्त performers हैं उनको reward and recognize करने का वक्त आ चुका है. It's time for our first set of awards. I'd request Ajay and Ajay Chitkara to kindly come on the stage. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. Let's give a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be celebration of the highest order. Good afternoon, gentlemen, and a special occasion, and we're really excited, and I hope you're having a good time.
Yes.
Super. So let's go on with our first award. Is the Airtel Business. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to applaud the maximum. जहां कहीं भी है, वहीं से आप इन achievers के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Ladies and gentlemen, first one is Airtel Business, Enterprise, ISP, and Government. Let's take a look at who are the winners. Let's give a big round of applause. Mushir Ahmed Khan, Vikas Khandelwal, Mohit Shandhar. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Congratulations, Mohit, Mushir, Vikas. So all awards gone to Mumbai. It looks like. Congratulations to all you guys. And
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Mohit,
Thank you,
this
sir.
is
Thank you
which
so
one? How many you have won already?
Sixth one, sir.
Very good. Congratulations to each one of you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thanks, Ajay. Thanks.
Very well done. Congratulations. Very, very special moment indeed. Now let's have. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, what an occasion. Legends inspire, legends lead from the front, and legends leave a legacy. A legacy which everybody would love to follow. And you know what? इनके performance को देखकर there might be so many people in Airtel who would want to say that I want to be like Channa Veerappa, I want to be like Auti Kumar, and they would be already going on their footsteps and performing consistently. Samit sir, very, very special. What do you have to say, sir? We'd like you to say a few words.
No, no. Thank you, Rahman. This has been absolutely super. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Ajay, first of all, for giving me the opportunity. It's been, and thank you again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And let's give a big round of applause for all our winners so far. Incredible performers, legends. They've done so well. Oh boy, this is super special. सारे winners के लिए, सारे achievers के लिए, and everybody who's a part of Airtel, who says proudly, I am Airtel. Okay, now we had this beautiful group fee contest. कितने अच्छे अच्छे ग्रुप फीस आए थे ना. अब इसके बारे में देखते हैं. Let's see who the winners of the group fee contest are. Let's take a look at it. All right, there you are, the group fee contest winners, and let's see who are the winners. Oh boy, this is some amazing picture. Winner is Prepaid Tezpur team. Congratulations. क्या बात है. मतलब ये pictures तो बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. And take a look at this, DTHTN2 team. Very well done. That's a nice picture. Oh boy, that is amazing. So, oh boy, there's another one. That's Prepaid North Bihar team. What energy. I mean, North Bihar team की energy तो कमाल है. Very well done. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Good job. And North Bihar team, तीन हमारे जो ग्रुप फी विनर्स हैं उनके लिए मैं जोरदार तालियां कहना चाहता हूँ. तालियों के साथ कहना चाहता हूँ. भाई आपके लिए तो बस एक ही चीज है. वाह 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 वाह. Oh boy, now what an evening, what an afternoon to evening it's been. I hope आपने order किया, Swiggy से order किया ना, खा रहे ना, मजे कर रहे ना. Special day. Airtel Achievers Club has been phenomenal. Airtel Achievers Awards 2021 has been exceptional, and you all have made this happen. It's the time where things come to an end, but इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ और कहूँ, मैं अयान सर को बुलाना चाहता हूँ. Let's give a big round of applause for Ayan sir for the vote of thanks.
Rahman, can you hear me?
Of course I can. How are you doing, Ayan?
Good, very good. And thanks a lot, Rahman. As usual, you've been fabulous today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Really, really makes my day. And it is a teamwork, and you inspire. Everybody at Airtel inspires me. Thank you so much, Ayan.
Okay, so good evening, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed the event and had a good time.
Oh boy, there you are. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time. आपको मिल जाएंगे आपके सारे जो गिफ्ट वाचर्स अगर आपने जीते हैं तो आपको वाउचर्स मिल जाएंगे. एंड स्विगी पे आपने ऑर्डर कर लिया होगा. एंड आई हैव टू टेल यू वन थिंग, गाइस. गो बैक टू दैट लॉबी एरिया जहां पर आपने फोटोज क्लिक किए, और अगर आपने मिस कर दिए, क्लिक योर पिक्चर्स नाउ. आपकी ट्रॉफीज के साथ, आपकी फैमिली के साथ क्लिक पिक्चर्स राइट देयर. मेमोरी वॉल चेक करना, फोटोज एंड वीडियोज ऑफ द अचीवर्स क्लब 2016, 17, 18, 19, दोज मोमेंट्स आप इसको देख सकते हैं, चेरिश कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन प्ले द गेम्स, दैट्स फ्रूट निंजा एंड कार गेम्स एज वेल. वहां पे जो देखे थे ये तो है ही है. एंड फॉर एवरीबॉडी एट एयरटेल आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस, यू गाइस आर एक्सेप्शनल, क्योंकि आपको बस यही कहना चाहता हूं कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन. ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं. अक्सर वो लोग खामोश रहते हैं जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं, आपके हुनर बोलते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सच एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर एवरीबॉडी. दोस्तों चैलेंजेस आएंगे, चैलेंजेस तो आते रहेंगे. हमें ये नहीं पता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, लेकिन जब चैलेंजेस आएंगे तो हमेशा एक चीज याद रखना, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. यस दोस्तों, तुम देना साथ हमारा, बिकॉज आप हमारी वो टीम है. यू आर वन who makes us proud. Go on, achieve whatever you can think of, because you are ones who proudly say, I am Airtel. My name is AK Rahman. It was a pleasure being here hosting this amazing event for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you soon next time. Tab tak ke liye, AK Rahman signing off saying, take care, shab khair, khayal rakhiye.